Okay, we're gonna do a TikTok Matholink. This is Matholink TikTok. How many of you play that game? Would you create a little chart like that? It's cooperating. And then this would be good for like multiplication. It could be for multiplication. Like you could have the kids, here like have a problem. Like let's say 8 times 11. You can make it as hard as you want. And then you could have, different problems like, let's say this, maybe this would be 10 times 10, which is 100. Okay. And then right here you can make 9 times 9 and 7 times 7. Let's do 5 times 5. And we could do 6 times 6 here. 4 times 4. And here we could do, I don't know which one haven't I done. Let's see, 2 times 2. And we could do here 3 times 3. How would this work? Well, basically, the way that this would work, that they will get a, they will get like an X or an O, outstanding for all. You can say X, you missed the point, is they have to solve it. They basically need to solve it. Like if they get this wrong, like if, let's say that this is 5 times 5, that's 25, right? So they got it correct, they get an O. Okay, they get a point, pretty much, a check O. And let's say this this would be 10 times 10, that's 100. They get it correct, they get a check, that's a no, So if the person, they could choose to solve any of them, basically. And then right here, 36. That will be 6 times 6. Like if the person that has that O gets to get 3 in a row correct, then they would do the tic-tac-toe pretty much. So that's one way that you could do it. I mean, there's so many other ways. Like you can mix it up with answers and problems, but and then they have to figure out what numbers multiplied would equal. Like let's say if you just give them 100, what are the 2 numbers that you had to multiply to give 100? And I think in that sense they might have like more of a chance because, like for instance, how many numbers would equal, let's say 4? How many ways that can you get 4? 4 times 1 and 2 times 2. It's a fun game.